Hey guys, Eric here, and this video is brought to us by INKBIRD, and they've sent us a brand new product that they're launching, and it's going to be available on Amazon, and I will put a link in the description below. I believe this product is going to come out sometime later this month. This is a wireless pool thermometer. So this is a really cool product. Basically, this thermometer will float in your hot tub or your pool or your aquarium or your pond or any body of water, and it will allow you to monitor the temperature of the water wirelessly on its own screen that's included here in the package. Its features include, and I'll read them off right here: precise and sensitive wireless temperature gauging, and this samples once every 10 seconds, and it does work wirelessly. It will monitor not only the indoor temperature, but humidity and the temperature of your outdoor body of water, be it pool or hot tub or spa or even aquarium or pond, anything like that. It has a connection range of about 300 feet. And we can test that out. It's also got an IPX7 waterproof rating, and it's got some waterproofing gaskets and whatnot. I haven't opened the package yet, so we're gonna check it out. We're gonna open it up and check it out. It's got an included screen, which you can see right there, and we're gonna open it up, as I said, and check it out, and then we're gonna test it out and see how it works. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right, so let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed, and we will see what's inside. Alright, so we have the instruction manual here, and then let's pull out the screen. This is what it looks like. Let's pull out the screen. Good sized little screen. Alright, so that's the actual screen. Looks like we need some batteries for it, so we'll go ahead and put those batteries in. That's the screen. And this is the unit itself. Pull this out. This is what it looks like. Yeah, so not too big. It's got rubber gasketing here, and I think we unscrew it. Yeah. Looks like batteries go right inside there, and then it will float. Is this for batteries? Let's see. Yeah, so batteries go right inside there. It's got a nice rubber gasket to prevent water from getting inside there, and this will just bob around in your body of water, and then it will report your temperature. It looks like it's got a little LCD screen here. We'll find out what that's for once we put it in the water and test it out. Here's a temperature probe on the bottom. So this thing is pretty cool. We've got batteries put in, and as you can see, it's got display right there. Here is the unit itself. There's batteries in it, and on the little LCD screen there, I don't know if you guys can see it right there, it says it's 18 degrees centigrade right now. It's got the wireless connectivity symbol, and it just immediately connected right up, and then it's got the battery level as well. Right now it's 18 degrees because it's just sitting out here and it's pretty cold. You can switch it to Fahrenheit on here. If you just hit the top button, it'll switch over to Fahrenheit. And it's giving me, as you can see, this would be the internal temperature if this unit was inside. This unit is not inside right now, obviously we are outside. And then it's giving me the temperature that's being detected by this probe right here at the bottom. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in the water, and then we're gonna see how this changes. And then I'll show you the advantages of having this and its accuracy. Alright, so we have the thermometer in the hot tub now, and as you can see, this is reading 100 degrees Fahrenheit in the water, right here indicated by that little symbol there telling me that's the temperature from the actual thermometer, and this is the temperature outside. Well, it would be inside if I had this inside, but that's the temperature there, as well as the humidity rating. Also, this little unit can communicate with up to 8 different thermometers. So if you've got multiple bodies of water and multiple thermometers, you only really need one LCD screen, and you can change the channels up here to display the temperatures from each of those, and it would also tell you how many you have right here. As you can see, I only have one, so it has a little symbol and then it says 1, and you can see my water temperature is going down because it's uncovered and it's pretty cold out here. But one other useful thing about this is the accuracy. So this is actually more accurate than your pump. And if you look right here, don't know if you guys can see that. My pump says it's 102, or that's the water temperature. However, this is way more accurate. This is actually sitting in the water, and my water temperature is really at 99 degrees. So I trust this more than I do that. So I will have to set this a little bit higher now that I know that it is slightly inaccurate. All right, guys, so why would you want the INKBIRD pool thermometer? A couple different reasons. Maybe you're just setting up your hot tub for the season, and you're waiting for it to get up to temperature or whatever, and you don't want to have to go outside to check the temperature every single time. You can have this inside your warm and toasty house, and it'll let you know when your hot tub is up to the correct temp and when you're ready to go outside and use it. This also allows you to just get a quick glance if you're planning on using your hot tub, let's say in the evening or in the morning or at any time during the day. You can make sure the temperature of the water is exactly where you want it before you use it. As you can see, I have mine sitting right next to my Google Home Hub right now, and I can easily check the temperature of my water outside in my hot tub right here from within my house, and that is super convenient. I want to thank INKBIRD for sending me this product to review, the INKBIRD wireless pool thermometer. I think it's going to be a really useful addition for your hot tub or any body of water that you've got outside. Again, pond, aquarium, hot tub, or pool. This is compatible and will work with all of it. And it's got a nice convenient display that comes with it. I'll put a link in the description below where you can purchase this on Amazon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.